G'day guys, today I am working on a R290 ice machine that's not making ice. The machine has a refrigerant charge of 95 grams of R290 and our initial inspection has found that the system has lost its refrigerant charge. It's a scope ice machine and we located the leak around the side of the tap valve. It looks like the valve may have been bumped or impacted, causing the leak and allowing the refrigerant to escape. So in this video, we are going to go through the fault, repair the leak, pressure test the system, evacuate it, and then recharge it with the correct 95 gram R290 charge and see if we can get this ice machine making ice again. So here we have the shredder valve that I'm gonna weld on quickly. And that's that, guys. That should be fine. I forgot to tell you, if you do this type of welding on a shredder valve, take the cap, and take this little valve out. You just have to put the cap in there and then twist the valve out. Okay, it's cool enough. Cool this thing down a little bit more. Guys, I'm going to do a leak test on the system. Just going to put some pressure in it and then I'm just going to leave it overnight and then we will see if it stays. So with that valve in there, put some pressure in there. Just going to close this off. Okay. Close that one off. Okay. How much we have there now? Go for about 150. So there you go. Leave it at 150. Yeah. And then we'll come back tomorrow. We'll check up on it. Alright. Okay guys, now time for the vac. I took out my tester for this. I've got my vac stat connected just there. So let's just go into the settings, go to evacuation, go in there, and then we just make sure this is not on, switch it on quickly. There we go, lights blinking. Now just look at the top here somewhere, you'll see the sensor. There we go, there it is. And now we start it up quickly and switch on the vacuum system, and then we make sure that it's going. There we go, it's on. So great news guys, it passed the vac. We got down to 500 microns. Now we're quickly purging the refrigerant through the line. There we go. And then we need to tear the scales, the refrigerant scales. We need to make it 0. And then once we got it teared, then we can put in 90 grams in the system. Okay guys, so that is running quite nicely. As you can see, the superheat is in range.